Hello farmers. A lot of farmers don't know when their birds are having cough. Looking at these birds, you will know that they have cough with the sign that they are, showing. You will hear that they will begin something like something like cough. That is cough. So I want to treat it now. So although the drug is not yet on ground, but I'm going to get the drug right now. I'm going to get the drug for the birds because already they are having cough. I'm going to treat it both organically and the English method. So guys, that is it. Follow my page for more updates. Don't forget to share my post and follow my page for more updates. God bless you guys. Bye bye.